Welcome back to Britology. Today you're joining us for a clean, cinematic tour of a truly high-end motorhome, a space where luxury, engineering, and thoughtful design come together to create something far beyond ordinary travel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving lifestyle designed for people who want freedom without compromising comfort, elegance, or performance. As we begin this journey, imagine the open road ahead, smooth highways stretching into the distance, and this motorhome gliding effortlessly through it all like a private retreat on wheels. From the very first glance, the exterior sets a powerful tone. The body design is sleek and modern, with smooth aerodynamic lines that aren't just for looks but also improve efficiency and stability on long drives. The premium paint finish reflects light beautifully, giving the motorhome a refined, almost futuristic presence. Large panoramic windows are carefully placed to offer breathtaking views, while maintaining privacy. Integrated LED lighting outlines the structure subtly, creating a sophisticated glow at night that feels more like a luxury yacht than a road vehicle. Every detail on the outside feels intentional, from the seamless storage compartments to the precision-engineered chassis that supports this massive yet graceful build. As we step inside, the atmosphere changes instantly. You're welcomed by a calm, warm interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. High-quality materials dominate the space, from soft-touch walls to rich wooden accents and polished metal details. The flooring is durable yet elegant, designed to handle travel while still looking premium. Natural light pours in through the large windows, enhancing the sense of openness and making the interior feel far larger than it actually is. The lighting system is fully adjustable, allowing you to shift from bright daytime clarity to a soft, ambient evening mood with ease. The living area is the heart of this motorhome. Plush seating is arranged to maximize comfort and conversation, with ergonomic sofas that can easily transform into additional sleeping space if needed. The upholstery is carefully chosen for both comfort and durability, offering a soft, luxurious feel while being easy to maintain. A large, discreetly mounted display provides entertainment without overwhelming the space, perfect for movie nights after a long day of travel. Surround sound speakers are integrated into the walls, delivering rich audio that fills the room without visible clutter. Moving toward the kitchen, you'll notice how seamlessly it blends style with practicality. This is not a compromise kitchen. It's fully equipped for serious cooking on the road. High-end appliances are built directly into the cabinetry, including a premium induction cooktop, a silent but powerful ventilation system, and a spacious refrigerator designed to keep food fresh for extended trips. Countertops are crafted from durable, elegant materials that resist heat and scratches, while still looking stunning. Storage is intelligently designed with soft close drawers and cabinets that stay secure even while driving. Everything has its place, making the kitchen feel organized, efficient, and luxurious. Adjacent to the kitchen is a dining area that feels intimate yet refined. A solid table anchors the space, paired with comfortable seating that invites long meals and relaxed conversations. Whether you're enjoying a quiet breakfast with sunlight streaming in or a candlelit dinner, parked beside a scenic view, this area adapts effortlessly to the moment. The layout ensures that dining never feels cramped, even with multiple people on board, reinforcing the sense that this motorhome was designed for real living, not just short trips. As we move into the private areas, the bedroom offers a true sense of escape. The bed is generously sized, dressed with premium bedding that rivals high-end hotels. The mattress is designed for long-term comfort, ensuring restful sleep no matter where you're parked. Soft lighting, sound insulation, and carefully positioned windows create a peaceful environment that feels separated from the rest of the motorhome. Storage closets and drawers are built around the space without making it feel crowded, allowing you to travel with everything you need while keeping the room clean and uncluttered. The bathroom continues the theme of luxury and smart design. Despite being in a motorhome, it feels surprisingly spacious. High-quality fixtures, a modern sink, and a well-designed shower area provide a spa-like experience on the road. Water usage is optimized through advanced systems, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Mirrors, lighting, and ventilation are all carefully placed to make the space feel fresh and open. It's a reminder that modern motorhomes no longer require compromises, even in traditionally challenging areas like bathrooms. Beyond comfort and aesthetics, This high-end motorhome is packed with advanced technology. A centralized control system allows you to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and security from a single interface. Climate control is zoned, ensuring every area stays comfortable regardless of outside conditions. Advanced insulation and noise reduction systems keep the interior quiet and temperature stable, whether you're driving through heat, cold, or rain. Solar panels and energy-efficient batteries support sustainable travel, giving you the freedom to stay off-grid without worry. Safety and performance are equally impressive. The driving cockpit is designed with the same attention to detail as the living space. Premium seats, intuitive controls, and advanced driver assistance systems make long journeys smoother and safer. Cameras, sensors, and navigation systems work together to provide confidence on narrow roads, busy highways, and tight parking spaces. Despite its size, this motorhome feels controlled and responsive, built to handle real-world travel with ease. What truly sets this motorhome apart is the lifestyle it represents. It's about waking up in a new place every day without giving up comfort. It's about freedom, flexibility, and the ability to turn any destination into home. Whether you're parked by a quiet lake, a mountain pass, or an urban skyline, this motorhome adapts effortlessly, offering the same level of luxury wherever you go. As we wrap up this clean cinematic tour, it's clear that this high-end motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of how far mobile living has evolved, blending design, technology, and comfort into one seamless experience. If you enjoyed this detailed look and want to see more premium tours like this, make sure to support the channel by liking the video and sharing it with fellow enthusiasts. Subscribe to Britology for more cinematic journeys into luxury, innovation, and modern lifestyle on wheels. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next video.